Gently pull the thread to tighten the waistband. Here's a simple and beautiful method. Find the front pocket position. Mark the section to be adjusted. Get a strong thread. Use a large needle. Thread the needle quickly. Insert the needle from inside out at the mark. Our jeans have 2 layers. Just sew through the top layer. Sew 1 stitch on the left. Sew 1 stitch on the right. The smaller the stitches, the stronger the adjustment. Fixing jeans is like gluing paper. You can sew it at home. The needle holds like glue. It won't pull apart. Use a seam ripper to undo stitches. Gently insert and lift up. No worries about tearing the pants. It can replace scissors. Ordinary thread may break easily. Use this special thread today. Thick cotton thread for jeans. After sewing, pull the thread tight. The outside is tightly stitched. Inside, use this method. Alternate left and right stitches. 1 stitch left, 1 stitch right. Continue left to right. After stitching, flatten the pleats neatly. Pull and tighten again. Finally, tie a knot. Cut off extra threads. Now the waistband is resized. Do the same on the other side. The jeans are reshaped. They look like new. Here's another waistband fix. Many find the back waist too thick. The fabric wrinkles. Here's another simple solution. First, find the back of the pants. Unpick the stitching carefully. Leave a 1 to 2 centimeters gap on both sides. Find a bra strap elastic. Cut it out. Sew and secure one end. Thread it through the gap. After wearing, tighten the elastic. Once adjusted properly, sew flat to secure. If worried about looseness, add a few more stitches. Tie a knot. Cut off the extra thread. Now, sew back the gap. Use reverse stitching to secure it. When sewing, push forward, then pull back slightly. Complete the circle stitch. At home, match thread color to pants. Choose matching thread. I use red thread here for better visibility. Usually, we shrink big pants to smaller. This method works well. Finally, hide the elastic end inside. Tie a knot to secure it. After tying, trim off the excess thread. Sew the opening back neatly. And restore it fully. For the next part, tighten the strap well. Trim off the extra length. How much smaller? Make it snug. Secure it the same way. Once fixed, trim the thread. Use reverse stitching to finish. Insert the final stitch. Tie a knot. Trim off the extra thread. Now the waistband is resized beautifully.